Alright, then it looks like we're live now. Let me just get this shared here. And let's get trading. Actually, this one's already fresh. Is it a 4-memer? You know it's a 4-memer. Actually, it's been out for multiple days now and it giga pumped. Whoa. Whoa. Shit, lost him. Gotta refresh the page. Whoa, dude. Is it this one? No, I think this is a different one. Is it this one? Yeah. Bro. Fuck. What are you on 4-meme anyway? Gotta be a good meme. It's an Elon Musk meme. What the fuck is a Chinese Elon Musk? Elon Ma? But it's not Elon Ma, it's Elon Musk. It's like a book or a magazine cover. It's weird. But it gigapumped. I wonder if we... The signal info says we did predict change. Oh no, it's this one. Still, we predicted change, but when was it? 20 minutes ago? At least the same? No. Go into the history, because did we call this like 3-4 hours ago? It had 5 characters, so it's not that one. Damn, these Chinese ones pump like crazy. Fuck, I have to go back to the... So it was you. Yeah, it was you. 6 characters. Okay. I'm just so interested. You don't see pump fun coins usually lasting like a week, so something the equivalent to that. I just want to see if we called it. Doesn't look like it, at least in the past day. Huh. Wonder if this signal itself is like a recurring one. No. I'll keep an eye on you though. Look back later. Two. Subhub. We predicted an up when it was a down. I guess it was low probability though. Let me check how my bags are doing. Oh yeah, I sold my BNB bags. That's right. The AGIX ain't doing so bad. What's the ping doing? It'll be on the cluster trends part. I'm gonna switch. Damn, that sucks. All these new ones. What's frog? Even though it's on base. Mm. Why all the scams on base? So many. It's not cool. Do better, base. Aster, you finally. No, you're not. He's still dumping. Soka's still giving the trade signal down for Aster. No, it's not. It's interesting. What about RCHV? Because that was going like parabolic last night. Holy shit, it's still fucking pumping. Holy mother of God. Because we called this right at the beginning, like down here, and I bought it. I think more or less actually down like here, and I bought it because this is when I noticed it. Like fuck. It made so much money. Like I bought before there was even a signal on it. It was just in the cluster trends. But let's see if we can find a new one. Not paper handed. 2. It's half of 4. Why all of a sudden the pump? I'm just curious, honestly. It looks like a 4 mirror. Let me look it up. Two. It is just, in fact, CZ doing the peace sign. It's a good meme, I guess. Curious if so a bunch of clusters are trading too. Is there a call on too? There was a call on too. We got that one right probably an hour and 20 minutes ago. Well, fuck, this whole move started like an hour and 20 minutes ago. Almost. But 10 my time. Yeah, like we pretty much caught that. Like if you bought around here and sold, like, you would have made money. At least still be in the green. Wonder what it's still saying. I mean, that was like over a 50% move though. Yeah. Hoku got that one right. I wonder if it's still gonna get it right though, because, well, what I mean by that is I wonder if it's gonna bounce, because it's still calling it in the active. Let's do like, yeah, 0.1's okay. There's no reason that pop-up should have happened. We'll see about 2. Because it's still trending. Looks like it's on like a bit of like it wanted to bounce maybe. The FTV is like not that big. Super tiny. Who knows, maybe it's a good meme. Oh, there's the Aster prediction. 24 hours on the dump, huh? If you open up like a perp call, I mean, but yeah, that ain't looking good on the hourly, man. That ain't looking good. I guess you live by the perps and you die by the perps, huh? I mean, Hyperliquid's probably doing good. It's just they're their own chain. We don't do them yet. We will. Fuck RV. CHV. Just keep going. I don't want to top last you again because I already made so much fucking money off you. But damn, I regret cheating my bags. Oh. See what's pumping on Ethereum. See how my mog's doing. Put a little bit in there yesterday. It's all right. I didn't even put a 0.01 in like I normally do because it bridged it over and it kind of like fucked up halfway and went to USDT. So it was $28. So technically I am up on it. See what it continues to do. flame. Whoa. Yeah, I don't know, man. How's the Manny bag do? Probably not good. It's not horrible actually. It did do a little bit better. It probably pumped and then did a little retracer, yeah. Hyper. Bitcoin hyper. Yeah, that's definitely legit, right? It sounds like a 2016 coin. Or before. Check my studio here. See if there's anything I can. Oh yeah, dude. ENA has also been popping for like a few days. Like it always was trending on Hoku. And it stopped. Yeah. That explains a bit. It's on like the bottom part. I wonder if it's just gonna do it again. Like this surely can't be it, right? Start a trade signal maybe. When was the last time there was an ENA signal? ENA. It's probably more than a few days ago. Shit. Well, I'll keep an eye out for that because I do think that would be like a good swinger. Because, like, when this trends on Hoku, it's for days. What is it, this even? Did they pay Dex? And how big are the swings when it does this? Oh, they're massive. Yeah, you know what? This would be like a good time. How do you risks with it? I'm gonna wait, but I'm gonna keep this on my radar because it seems like it's gonna bottom out again. It's almost there. It's almost time. I need to plug this thing in. Let me see VAT here. Valid net. Seems valid to me here. Did you pay Dex? They didn't pay Dex, but they have locked liquidity. I mean, what are you? I have a lot of locked liquidity. What are you? That. It's at the top of cluster 5. Just cluster 5. So that can control F. I think there's only one VAT here. That's very interesting. See, I just don't know. Launches with 1 billion tokens with already 62 holders on it. Like, how is this not like a bundle? Like, says it's good. Huh. I mean, word, I guess. Like, I just don't understand. A lot of big buys coming through, too. Just I don't understand where all this liquidity came from out of fucking nowhere. I mean, how the fuck does this make any sense? This just screams like it's this game. I ain't buying that shit. Even if you're pumping, you're like a fake pumper. And you're only in one cluster, which is telling. Hmm? That is one hell of a scam chart, bro. What the fuck? How's 2 doing? No, other way around. It's basically the same as when I bought it. Yeah, it's starting to, because I bought the dip. It's starting to go back up. Hopefully. I don't trust that VAT shit. Zora. When did you start signaling? An hour ago? I mean, what are you? On form? Like, are you a good meme or what? It's a guy with the drill. Something. It's probably like build on BNB again somehow. I'm just not seeing it. No, I don't think so. It's not a form memer. Conan. I mean, how about like the short-term signals? No. Lego still kind of up there, huh? Oh, it's dumping now. It's over now. It's over now. Oh, I'm glad I made my money on it at least. It looks kind of scary, similar to the... Wait a minute. Why does that look a lot like the Archivist chart? Where the fuck is our CHV here? Oh man, it's not even in any of the clusters anymore. That's bad for our CHV. Or maybe it's arguably good if they're not trending either way, but like on the no, I mean it's alright. But that whole move is like it's a lot of gain. Oh shit, this just started to pump. Oh yeah, dude. Well, let's just watch it. Decide when to sell. Two is easy. I'll say like 20% as is. I might just do it. I'll still take 15%. I'm pretty bad with cheating my bags, but on stuff like this, it's like I don't really trust it. I'd rather take the fucking money. Wait, did not even go through. I mean, word. I just did the approved there, and it went up. Well, pancake it is. Happens when it's volatile. It's better just to go to pancake itself. And we sold. It's like a 23% gain. Let me just double check here. Enter was exactly 0.1. 0.01. I exited with 0.126. So yeah, it's a 26% gain. It's crazy. Thank you, Hoku. It's probably still gonna pump, but like I don't care. I made money on it. It's still saying I have balance, but I don't. I just swapped it. Let's go find another one. That's a W. Plank. It's not so good. Yeah, Aster's definitely not doing so good. Short that. It's all these fresh forming tokens that get bonded. Oh, RCHB's back. Alright. Yeah, it took a little bit of a dip there. Past few minutes. It's volatile as hell. I'm waiting for like some sort of giga retracement. I don't expect to go back to where I sold, but I'd buy it again if it like heavily swung and I got a good price. I don't like the look at you. Pop. Is this Pop Cat or just Pop? Cypher token? What the fuck? I mean, is it being resurrected from the dead or something? Like, looks like it just took like a crazy nosedive, man. Cobra Snake is still fucking exists? This has gotta be like a fucking scam, bro. I mean, I made money off it, but like it seems like it's just like a dump train now. Yeah, I just don't trust this. It's too choppy. Like I look at the transactions going through, it's like it's too consistent. It's weird. Oh, this one's going down, down, down. Punk strategy. Wait, would this be like, is this that NFT conglomerate stacking CryptoPunks? What happened? Is that the... I mean... Excuse me. It doesn't look like their shit's doing so hot. Hey Doge. Alright, what are you saying? What are you saying? Hello? I still think it's down from what I put in, but it's starting to pump again, so I'll take it. Basically, if anyone's tuning in, I'm not really looking at the stats right now, but even if you're watching the VOD, I guess. What essentially my strategy boils down to is the trade signals are nice, but they don't come in all the time. So, in order to essentially try to front run the system, looking at things that are coming up on the trading clusters, but aren't necessarily coming up on the trade signals yet. Because the way it works is if it comes up on one of these, a trade signal doesn't happen. If it comes up on multiple of these, then the bot, well, the AI in the background's looking at it a lot more and deciding, okay, is this going to go up, down, sideways, whatever. And if you can front run that call and if it's going to go up, that's great. But then if you were wrong and if it gives you a down signal right away, I guess you could sell if you want. But I feel like that's just the better way to use the app. I've been using it to great success. As long as I don't buy a scam. Like, I'm pretty good at eyeballing those, but it's not amazing. Sometimes it's everything's all good contract side, and then it's just a bundle, and you get fucked in the ass. It is what it is. That's why I don't play with too much money. Just for old time's sake, let's just check if 2 is still pumping. If I made the poor decision in selling at that moment. No, I think I made a pretty good decision. I don't know if it's... You can never know. But I made money, like 26%. Fuck yeah. It was not much, but still 26%. Take that to the bank. But let's just sit and wait on the cluster trends and try to find an example of what I'm talking about, because it's important. Because especially these rocket ship ones help. Pi, I already checked them. Oh, that's a scam. Some of these Chinese ones do very well because they're 4.meme tokens. This one already looks like it did kind of well beforehand. It bonded, pumped a bit, and it's dumped. Let's check this one. Yeah, same story. Bonded, pumped a bit, dumped. Laugh. That looks like a fucking scam. Yeah, it's the same one. KK. Probably a scam. Two, though. 2 is still pumping. Sort of. It's going sideways. It's probably gonna dump. It's lost all the momentum. T. It's a scam. H. I feel like I'm on Sesame Street. What is this fucking cluster, man? XRP isn't doing so good. Yeah, that ain't so good. check a couple more in the first cluster. If not, we'll go over like Ethereum or something. Because there's always something. Statistically, these are the most pumpingest in the current moment in the 1 hour time frame. Like, I guess I could put it over the 6 hour time frame. Yeah, it's completely different now. That was kite. Whoa, dude. I don't understand. Did this literally just launch like a minute ago, or was this like a rep pull? I think it's like, I don't know what to make of this. And in. Play Solana? What? On BSC? I don't understand. I mean, of course it's a fucking scam, but like, huh? Wrong chain. I guess Binance up forever. It didn't go up forever like they wanted to. Well. Yeah, some of these ones on Binance, it's like it probably woke up too late even still. How's the old A Doge doing? How's the old Mog doing? We're about to Mog them. 2 days. It's strange I haven't gotten a token signal come through. You have to refresh. Mog's giving the signal again. So I mean, hey, maybe it'll pop. I wonder. See, ENA is at the top of my cluster in Ethereum. And in fact, they're at the top of a lot of clusters. That's why I'm thinking, like, fuck, man. What about even on the 6-hour time frame? Yeah. Like, they're gonna start trending again. It probably won't be as big of a move because it's drawing like this big bench or whatever, but I mean, orders are going up. I'm gonna wait for just a little confirmation of not fucking dumping like crazy and I'll buy this thing. Yeah, I don't know about you. DYDX is a honey pot? What? It's gotta be fucked, right? Like, there's no way. There's no way. Like, this is the real DYDX. This isn't like. But wait, why is there like no liquidity? What happened? Did they get drained? Bro, what the fuck happened to DYDX? What the fuck? Unless I've been living under a rock and DYDX like failed or something. No, I guess all the liquidity's on their fucking platform. I mean, it makes sense, I guess, but like, shit, dog. Hello? Keep pumping, please. Yeah, even on the cluster trends on Ethereum, it's not looking so hot. Like, some of them, it's like what you would expect. You know, you got Link, Luna, Uni, Doge, even Pax G, because that's like people want to buy gold and Bitcoin and shit, like with wrap Bitcoin, but I don't see a lot of like fresher shitcoins. It's not like BNB. Like, I don't think there's like a, as far as I know, like a pump.fun for Ethereum yet. It's too expensive. It's too slow. Yeah, it's unfortunate. More trade signals coming in though. Oh, ENA gave a low one. Here we are. Okay. Yeah, it's like on the smallest time frame, but like, fuck, this is like the place to buy it. Like, it doesn't. Like, it could definitely go lower. That's the thing. I want to wait for the confirmation, but this is proving my hypothesis here. Like, there's no way that it can be trending so hard all the time and not want to go up. Like, you can go to the sell signals tab, right? Like, I'm looking at buys when, like, sells. Yeah, it's also up there too. But for how long? Just the question is like, how long, man? Let me check something here. Well, I really want to keep an eye on this one. See, it's like the longer term volume on this dump here, because it's dumping on very low volume. Like, I can see it. Yeah, just taking one big more shit, bottoming out somewhere, finding a new low maybe, and then going back, because this thing is. Why is it flipped? Why is the chart down here? Ross, what have you done? I totally blanked on the one I was fucking looking at. ENA. Yeah, man. Just gonna make a quick post on Twitter here that easy W I made. Let me share that.
What's up, stranger?
Caught me in the middle of big W and then posting
Sorry, I couldn't hear you.
about. Oh God! Don't tell me my microphone's been fucked this whole time. Can you
No, I
you
just
hear me?
maybe it was just like loading or something because now it's all better now.
Okay. No, I was just posting about this big W. I got like a 30% gain on two.
Oh, nice,
Yeah.
nice. I think I popped in on X and saw you grab that chart for a second, but I didn't see you actually trade it. How long were you in for?
20 minutes.
God, that's awesome.
I know, right? I mean, I didn't put that much in because it was like a risky, like it had already pumped and dumped a bit, and then, but I was like, Hoku's still giving the signal. The chart looks like it might bounce. I'm like, fuck it. So I put like 0.01 BNB, and so it's like $10, but like it's still a 30% gain. Like if I was more of a degenerate ballsy trader, that's still a 30% gain, right? Like it's
Yep,
I just
the
didn't
percents are what
do it.
matter. You're just still getting your feet under you. I get it. And I'm still convinced that you're a little bit more gun shy because it's not your money. What's the liquidity like on that one?
It let me just
You said
double
that's the
check
number two. That's
the
the
number
token ticker.
two. Yeah, I think it was a revival because that's a four meme token that like died and got resurrected, and we caught it because we gave. I looked back. We we sent the signal just right after the first leg of the pump. It's like if you bought even then anywhere, you'd still be making money. Like even on the retracement.
I can't find it.
I just uh, copied the what I do now to validate for meme tokens so I don't get scammed is just I copy the contract and I put it right into for meme. But it like
Oh, oh.
launched in October, fucking died, and then just today got completely resurrected.
No, I mean I know what the problem was. We're not like this something definitely something broken in the sync on this
What
on
do you
the
mean by that?
alerts. If you keep the page open, there are like isolated cases where the real time streaming breaks.
Yeah, no, I've experienced that for sure.
I was
Because I
just
had to
talking to Sajal about it. He thinks he knows why it's happening. Let me see if he's.
I mean, it's not that big of a deal. It's just I kind of am like, oh, I haven't noticed a trend signal come in. Let me refresh my page kind
Yeah,
of thing. But it's still kind of annoying. Like the whole purpose, I guess, is to kind of, if you're not crazy like me and staring at the cluster trends all day, and you leave it in the background waiting for the ding. And if the ding's not coming in, that's a problem.
yeah. I mean, I can tell when you don't see anything within like the last hour in the list. Man, I haven't used my old mechanical keyboard in so long, and it
Yeah, I
is
can hear
so
the
much
clicky.
nicer.
I love it. I can hear how satisfying it is.
Yeah, I've got a Cherry MX blue and a Cherry MX brown, and I think this is the blue, so it's a little louder. My brown is behind there on the other computer. I don't really feel like resyncing it, but that one's a little bit less, a little bit. No, it's not nearly as loud.
There's this one I've been eyeing all morning. I've been trying to like explain my philosophy, I guess, on it using the cluster trends, but it has done this cycle on the daily chart where it's pumped and it's dumped, it's pumped and it's dumped ever since it launched. Like it launched, it pumped, it dumped, it pumps and it dumps, and it's on that cycle again where it's kind of going down. I'm like, I'm waiting for because Hoku already just gave like as I was like explaining myself, it gave a signal on the 24-hour chart, a weak ass 24-hour low confidence score, but it's like that's primed to change. Like that's telling me like we're starting to see the reversal of it, sort of.
On
I
which
want
token?
ENA.
Oh, Athena.
It's
No shit.
yeah. Like
I've wanted to get into that one. What is the current price on it? Wow, it's down to 30 cents. Shit.
yeah, like I've been waiting because that was
That's a good entry. That's a really
crazy
good entry.
ripping. Yeah, I'm just waiting for like it's like it looks like it's still sort of like dumping, like it's really on that edge. So I'm just waiting to scale in a bit, but it's like it looks good. and Hook is starting to give that like reversal signal, I guess, right here. So
No, that's
I'm gonna
definitely that's a good sign. I think I might actually move some of my just like cold storage into that. I've been waiting to get into Athena, but it was up at like 70 cents, you know, I don't know, a month ago before all the
yeah.
before we had the tweet that started all this mess.
Well, I have no idea what this is. What's the or are you talking about like
Whoa,
a Trump
what
tweet or
how
something?
oh, that's back that's earlier.
Yeah,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
no.
the
So like yeah, exactly. I think that was like October or very like first week October, end of September. It was up in like the 70s.
yeah.
I didn't realize it had hit a buck 40 though in 2025. These guys just seem really well positioned for all the stablecoin stuff.
Well, no, this is actually 2024, a year ago, and then it was
Yeah,
January
that hit a buck 40.
2025. Yeah.
Yeah. No, I think this one's. I mean, listen, if we ever do get any kind of rotation into like the high alts, like these guys, this one's gonna print.
Yeah, because it
What's going
looks
on with the
like
chart? Is that just the live stream where you get like bright green and dark green candles?
yeah, I think
Almost?
that's the live stream because I don't see that. I think that's something with restreams fucking around.
Yeah, let me show you what like I see.
Oh, I see it on the restream side. That's
Oh, you
not
do?
what my screen looks like.
Oh, I wonder if this is the 720p getting us instead of being on 1080.
It might be. Because my screen resolution is like it's more than 1080p, but it's like it's weird. It's like
Yeah, I wonder
it's
what this
not a
is about.
standard resolution. So it's trying to truncate it into 720p and it probably looks really fucked. I pulled the trigger on Athena. I bought a bit of that. Swapped easily in Hoku, actually.
I don't know if you can like see any of that. No, the camera's too far away.
Yeah, no.
I was just curious. What the 720 looks like on a 4K monitor, and it's it's not good.
Yeah, it's probably really bad.
Yeah, it
Like,
is.
awful.
It's really bad.
Like when I look at like the stream in Restream looks good. When I watch it on Twitter, I'm like, this looks like choppy, but it's on my monitor, which, like I said, it's a higher resolution than 1080, I think, but it's less than. I think it's just above 1440, but it's less than 2K or 4K. It's weird. It's a weird resolution. The unicorn emoji popped up again. Oh wow, that's pumping. I should have bought that. Fuck. Just got a crazy tax on it. Shit. I should have trusted my gut on that one.
So let's see if there's any progress on it. Oh, nice. There is some progress on it. Remember how we were talking about trying to like train a subset of the signal models on just 4 meme tokens?
Yeah. So you started that last night?
I started coding it last night, but I didn't finish, and I finished this morning and started running it like an hour ago. The first model finished. Ooh, it actually looks pretty damn good. But I'm curious how it compares to the other models, like the regular ones.
Perfect. Yeah, I don't know if you heard me or not, but I ended up saying screw it, and I pulled the trigger on just buying a bit of the ENA there.
Oh yeah.
Yo, bro, what the fuck? Yeah, not much on the lower time frame signals. It's just back to cluster trend staring. Nah. There's this one though that I really wish I bought yesterday because I had this gut feeling about it. It seemed kind of weird, but man, it's pumping. It's like a revival of this old ass fucking like idea of like an Ethereum tip jar. And it's like the first apparently like so the first DRC20 token ever was just a unicorn emoji, and that's what this is. It's like a fucking copy of that, and it's just ripped. But when I saw it, it was like it launched, pumped, and then dumped like in the gutter. But like the like Hoku was seeing it just on the cluster trends. And I'm like, I checked out the website. I'm like, yeah, it seems alright, but kind of stupid. And like, fuck, I should have just listened to my brain because I'm like this, like, fuck. And like, it's so pumped right now.
Always listen to your brain, Owen.
My heart told me no. My brain told me yes. Fuck.
Finished. 200% high, 1 hour.
Jesus Christ.
Oh wow. So that the first forming model that finished.
Yeah.
It looks like it actually outperformed. Yeah, it did. It outperformed the original model. So like another way to say it, we can more accurately predict breakouts in those large breakouts in those 4-meme tokens than we can other low liquidity tokens.
It's interesting.
So like the hardest prediction that we do is the 200% in 1 hour. You know, it's the rarest event. And there's about a 5% performance improvement on this model, you know, the 4-meme one, compared to the original, which is not, I didn't expect that. I was hoping it'd be similar because there's a lot less data, right? Like we only have a few thousand records for 4-meme, whereas we have an unlimited number of other records to choose from.
Do you think that having a more specialized algo like that is going to become more the norm? Like you're going to have like I don't know, just me thinking about it, like say if I wanted to have like, because this sounds like a solution to the problem where it's like it's not like an analog you switch the algo, but it's like say if there's like the general trade signals, like this, like the baseline like straight middle path, and then it's like what if I wanted to try the one that's specialized for 4-meme, and then we turn that on and it's like already trained for them, right, or whatever. There'd be like different versions of that. I don't know how to put it, but like for different things. Is that even possible?
I mean, anything's possible. It's just a question of development cost. I'm just trying to think of like really ultimately what an end state would be. Like I'm not necessarily convinced that the best outcome is user configurability. You know, at the end of the day, this is something that there isn't really, in a perfect world at least, there aren't user preferences. The goal is objective. The most accurate predictions you can produce, right? Like the goal is identify 100% of these market movements and have 0% false positives. The closer, the more we work towards achieving that goal, the less time there is to offer, things like configurability. So I don't know. It's an interesting question. I think I would see a path where we essentially just continue to refine the training data. Like I think in a perfect world, every single token would have its own model. I think.
Whoa, wait.
It's a question of it's also a question of time, I guess, because like market regime changes might also impact. I don't know. It essentially, like, the more specialized the models can become, the more accurate they will likely be. And I think that's the argument why such a small training sample for just 4 meme tokens outperforms a much larger sample of low liquidity tokens. Because it's more specialized. There's less variance in the data. That's more homogeneous.
Right now it'd be the engineering call if you wanted to do that, and I can I
gotta hop
to the live stream when switch to the space after.
Yeah, I will hop now. Then we'll plan to do the regular X space in 15 minutes.
Okay.
So I'd say just go ahead and power this thing down whenever you're ready. Just so if there's any setup you got to do, you have time to do it.
Yeah, because I want to make sure it's not broken. Sometimes it.
Yeah, don't forget to post your 30% in 10 minutes.
I did. I shared that already.
Okay, you did? Good. All right, awesome. All right, man. I'll talk to you in a bit.